In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're a marketing professional looking to engage customers more dynamically or simply exploring new ways to enhance your digital communication, integrating QR codes into your HubSpot emails can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll notice a variety of options that serve different functionalities within HubSpot. What we want to do is click on the More option in this sidebar. It's your gateway to additional features that HubSpot offers, including marketing tools. After clicking More, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Marketing. This section is where you'll manage all your marketing campaigns, emails, and related activities. We're particularly interested in this area because it's where we'll be embedding our QR code. Now, once you're in the marketing section, you'll find an option labeled Marketing Emails. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a screen where all your email marketing campaigns are listed. It's a central hub for managing your email content, and it's also where we'll be inserting the QR code. Next, you'll need to choose an email where you want to place the QR code. Browse through your list of emails and click on the specific email that you have in mind. Opening this email will allow you to edit its content, which is exactly what we need to do to add the QR code. With the email open, allow it to fully load. On the left side of your screen, you'll spot a toolbar that includes an option for images. Click on Image to open the image upload interface. This is the part where you can easily upload your QR code image. If you already have the QR code image saved on your computer, you can simply drag and drop it, or use the upload function to bring it into your email. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded a QR code into your marketing email using HubSpot CRM. QR codes can enhance the interactivity of your emails, directing recipients to a web page, a special offer, or any digital content you choose. Remember, QR codes work as a bridge between offline and online experiences, making them a powerful tool in any marketer's arsenal. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating QR codes in HubSpot CRM. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment or reach out. Happy marketing!